name's Charlyn and I'm the dietitian with the Culinary Medicine Program at SIU Med School. I'm here today. I want to show you a really quick and easy dinner, breakfast, lunch, whatever you need to do. Who says we can't have pizza for breakfast, all right? But I'm making a pizza frittata, which is a little bit healthier. So I've gone ahead and started this, and you can see in my dish what I have. I poured in a little bit of olive oil. I like to use this garlic infused olive oil, and I've added some garlic. I've added some cut up peppers from my garden, and then I've also added some spinach. You can either use frozen spinach, a couple of cups of it, or you can use fresh. Totally your choice. Then I've taken 8 eggs and I've mixed them all together just like I would do scrambled eggs, and I've put them in my pan. So I'm letting this set, and once those eggs are done and ready to go, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour some marinara sauce, some turkey pepperoni, and some mozzarella cheese. So it's a pizza without the crust. That's a whole lot healthier for you because we've added the vegetables, and that's what makes it so healthy. You could use, what I love about this recipe, you could use anything you have in your refrigerator. You got some carrots you need to use up, you have some zucchini that you need to use up, just anything at all. You've got some green onions in there that you want to use up, anything to give it flavor. You want to add a little salt and pepper. It always goes really well with it. And as you can see, my eggs are set now. So what you want to do once they get set, I've just got some bottled marinara sauce, and I'm going to put that over the top just to make it look really pretty. This tastes so yummy. Your kids are going to love this. Then I'm using some turkey pepperoni. You could use different kinds if you wanted to. If you wanted some other type of meat, I happen to like the turkey pepperoni. It's a little bit healthier, but it's nice to have a little bit of meat on there if you want that. Kind of a favorite of the kids. So we're going to add that pepperoni, and then we're going to put some mozzarella cheese on top. So just enough to kind of sprinkle on, give it some flavor, and you've got, in about 5 minutes, dinner ready. Thanks for watching.